Never miss an important email again with Outlook conditional formatting. Have you ever missed a crucial email because it got buried in your inbox? With Outlook's conditional formatting, you can make important emails stand out by customizing their appearance. Here's how you can set it up and ensure no key message escapes your attention. What is formatting? What is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting in Outlook lets you apply custom styles to emails based on specific criteria. For example, you can highlight emails from your manager in bold red or emails with urgent keywords in a larger font size. How to set it up. 1. Access the settings. Go to the View tab in Outlook's upper panel. Click on View Settings and then choose Conditional Formatting from the menu. 2. Create a new format. In the Conditional Formatting window, click Add and give your new rule a descriptive name, e.g. Important Emails. Click Font and select a font style and size you like, a color that stands out. Click OK to save the format. 3. Set the conditions. Click the Condition button to define which emails the formatting applies to. You can choose specific words in the subject line or body, emails from certain senders, emails sent to specific recipients. Once done, click OK on all prompts. What happens next? Now, every email matching your criteria will appear in the format you created. For example, emails from a key client might be bold and blue, making them impossible to miss. Why use conditional formatting? Efficiency. Quickly identify high-priority emails. Customization. Tailor the appearance of emails based on sender, keywords, or recipients. Organization. Keep your inbox manageable and focused. Set up conditional formatting today and transform your inbox into a well-organized, attention-grabbing workspace.